This production line is specially designed for manufacturing rack step beams. The steel strip enters the line through the guiding system. It keeps the material centered, ensuring accurate feeding and stable forming. Before forming, the strip passes through the leveling machine to eliminate internal stress and flatten the surface. Then, it enters the main roll forming section, built with a heavy cast iron structure and driven by gearbox transmission. The system also supports automatic beam size adjustment, allowing quick changeovers between different specifications without roller replacement. In this section, the upper and lower parts of the beam are automatically joined by tracking, spot welding. The welding head follows the moving beam precisely, ensuring strong, consistent welds without stopping the line. This improves production efficiency and keeps the beam perfectly straight. After welding, the beam moves into the hydraulic flying saw unit. The saw runs synchronously with the beam to perform continuous, high-speed cutting. This method guarantees accurate lengths, clean cuts, and burr-free edges, ideal for the next step of end plate welding. The stable synchronization system ensures that cutting precision is maintained even under continuous production. All production parameters, including beam width, thickness, cutting length, and line speed, are controlled via the PLC touchscreen system. Operators can easily set, adjust, and monitor the process in real time, ensuring high automation, reliability, and safety. Each beam comes out uniform in shape and size, perfectly ready for downstream assembly. This rack step beam roll forming line combines forming, welding, and cutting into one automatic system, a high-efficiency solution for professional rack manufacturers. The key load-bearing parts of warehouse racking systems. Each beam is accurately cut and welded to ensure precise size and strong structure. Goal on machinery, forming ahead, building beyond.